Birds? Birds. Let's make a house. Let's make a bird house. We're gonna do like bird house like a... I'm not on my own. I have alpha generation representation, Duncan. Alpha generation. Like computer game. Also, we have a special guest. We have Princess Livy.
It's a bird! I think Elsa.
Not my baby. How are we gonna do a birdhouse? It will be from one plank. So my helper Duncan will open the planks.
Oh,
Oh.
I use my hands. I ripped the plastic in the corner.
I made a hole.
I'm holding it. My fingers hurt.
One plank birdhouse. Shh. Okay. Big question. Do you want power tools or hand tools?
Hand.
Hand.
Hand tools. Hand tools. Anti-slip saw. Let's start making birdhouse. Everyone say birdhouse.
Birdhouse.
Duncan.
Birdhouse! Yeah!
And now in Lithuanian, inkilelis. Sakyk, inkilelis.
Inkling.
Inkilelis.
Inglinga!
Inkilelis.
Inglinga!
Oh, sunku su juo. Okay, listen, I'm teaching you.
Hi.
Okay, wait, I'm showing you now. Imagine I will... Shh, leave it. Duncan. Okay. We're gonna start from building the sides. You help me. You finished? Good. You finished? Seriously, I want to explain to the people how we're gonna make a birdhouse from one plank, one plank, one plank, one plank birdhouse. We're gonna start. Duncan, I will do counter again. Duncan counter, Livy counter. It will look like this. There. Made out of one plank. I would suggest to make birdhouse this tall. That's the roof. Okay, let's do the lines now first. Let's do the lines. Shed's a bit small. For this, we're gonna use very fancy hand tools. The pencil, pieštukas.
Pestuka.
Pesticide.
We're gonna make this one that size. Now you can't see. That size. No, stand up. Duncan, stand up. And from the distance, then film. We're making lines with Livy. Mark it. Take a pencil and mark it. There.
10.
Eh?
10.
No, what then?
Here.
Kādu brēška līnija?
Nezinu, ko tu vajodi man.
Like this. Bah! No, Duncan, no. From... Can you see my face?
Yeah.
Now, this will be one side. We can mark it number 1. Number 1. Now, we need tape measurer. Tape measurer. We need to measure. No, shh. You film, don't move like you are the cameraman. We need to measure this. 27.5. You see, this is 0.5. Duncan, can you stop moving the camera? Like, film straight. I'm putting you on tripod, Koi. I'm screwing you. I'm suku vienu žodžiu.
Tas again.
Jo, man irgi. Palauk, va. Nu, eik viskas, eik šeit. Eik sēs kur nors. And we're back.
Yeah.
Shed Chronicles with our guest visitor, Livy, from neighboring street.
What?
What? You are from neighboring street?
No.
Yes.
Yeah.
You might need to help. We need to make another one. Poof. Is it the same size? The same, should be the same size, yeah? 27.5.
27.
Oh, wait, no, we can cut it and then, yeah. Okay.
Who's cutting it?
Now, before cutting it, a disclaimer. Use all this precaution and under supervision of the parents or not able to friend or family. I will lift you up. I will lift you up. Hop. Hop, hop, hop. Okay. So, safety is the most important. You need to have gloves, air protection, breathing apparatus, glasses, not needed, sharp teeth. Cut, then you're pulling out. Pull out. Start by doing movement back. You see, I'm not pressing much. Oh, papa. Oh, papa. You cut it now. Nice. Yeah, good. Cutting good. Ho, ho, ho. My boy is growing. My boy is growing. It's the first plank which he cut in his life. Proud dad.
I've cut more planks.
Proud dad.
I've cut planks before.
Let's mark another one. Come on, Livy, Duncan, concentrate. That's one side, and we're gonna mark it. Livy, Daddy Bobo will start the cut, Livy will finish. Holding. She's doing good, she's doing good. Dance! Whoosh, 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 whoosh. So, why the fuck? Kids, come on. So, you see these two sides are done. What else we need to do? What?
Painting.
No, need to finish front wall or back wall.
Back.
Is that the hardest?
Yeah, it is the hardest. Back wall. Back wall. Ah, back wall. Back wall. Ah, okay. I thought of different. You see, you put there and you just mark it. Ooh, shoulder. An angle, we're gonna do like this.
What does angle mean?
Oh, the bottom, like this. And we're gonna just mark the line. Can you see? You still looking?
Yeah.
You still looking? You know what to do. Subscribe. Oh, ho, ho. You don't need to repeat it. Oh, both of you hold the plank. You still need to build the birdhouse, and then you can paint. What color you gonna paint? Aina відомо, висказ. Are you holding?
Yeah.
Oh, papa! On angle. Leave it, Duncan. On angle, complete. Leave it, hold this, hold. Oh, oh, oh! It's matching.
Wow, amazing! Goofy Mia!
Okay. Hold the plank, hold the plank.
Go.
Let it go.
Lego. Lego Fortnite.
Nope.
I don't play Fortnite.
Snow and mountain like tonight.
Like the night.
Hold it down, kid.
Kryptonite.
Oh, a little hack, little tip, kids.
Adult.
This one,
Children.
leave it. This one is 90 degrees angle. So you can use that to cut the line as well. Okay. Duncan,
Yeah?
you cutting? Where your gloves? Safety first. Come on, gloves. Just don't rush, don't rush. Livy, you holding good. Yeah. Don't press much. All about angles. All about angles. Yeah. That's my boy. Oh. Oh, nice straight line. Yeah. What was that? That was the front, sides. Kids, look. Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Oh yeah, it's coming along. It's a birdhouse. And Livy will do painting. Huh?
Dubai?
Dubai?
Dubai.
Dubai.
Dubai?
Dubai.
Dubai?
Dubai.
The boy.
Dabar?
Hey.
Ah, no, not now. Oh, birdhouse carcassus. Livy, soon we're gonna have our first birdhouse. Do you know how to subscribe in lietuviškai?
Dubai.
Pasek. Kur tu moki? Kur tu moki su kairė ranka pjauni, ką tu? Imki dešinę. Right hand. Yeah, dešinę, right hand. Teaching kids is fun. Just don't forget to be safe. Ooh. Wait. Too aggressive now. Oh, Papa! Dance! Last one. Let's put birdhouse together. There. No, there.
What happened?
I don't know, I'm a bit lost. Wait a minute. Next time, it's best to write down what piece it is. Okay, let's go. Yeah. And bah. Oh, Papa.
What about the roof?
Oh, Papa. There.
You forgot the roof.
Well, you put the roof on. You put the roof. You put the roof. Yeah, you put the roof.
10 out of 10.
10 out of 10. 10 out of little.
Should I fix?
Eh? What the hell? What's this? Kashaboom. What's this? Kashaboom. What's this? Right. I think we measured it wrong. Well, the roof should be bigger. I think I measured again wrong. We need to fix it. So, this. Oh, wait. Or maybe, can we just change this? Wait. Ah!
Baker.
Come on, kids, help me. Yeah.
Stop copying me.
Oh, it's good. Phew. Fixed it. I fixed it. That's our birdhouse prototype birdhouse. So we need a hole. Drill a hole about here for the bird. While we're here, let's write the parts down. This one is roof or stogas. You can have stogas in Lithuania from mafia. That's the side, back or nugara, bottom or apača. What's that? Left over. Oh wait, no, what's that? No,
Roof.
no, it's an angle. Ah, no, this is front.
Wait.
Duncan, leave it. This is front or priekis. Priekis.
No, where the roof painting?
I don't know what size hole to drill.
I think I like this big.
Well, you're showing, but camera don't see it. Yeah, okay. It's not like bird gonna live in there anyway. It's just for fun.
We need more videos.
No, I'm teaching you grown-up stuff. Yeah. Duncan, what you filming?
You?
But like, why you holding camera like this? Ready? 1, 2, 3, now. Palauk, nesuka čia. Wait, need new battery. I'm going to bring new battery. You look after them. Leaving you in charge. You in charge. Not you. Stay still. I'm back. You stay still?
Moved a bit, and then we're back.
Okay. New battery. Yeah, new battery. Oh, Papa. Ooh, let's drill. Ready, steady, go now. Squint your eyes, because we don't have eye protection. Squint, like this. Yepa. Who's calling? A vėl žodžiu žuvį nori?
Kiek ilgai tenais yra, tu darei Ignai dovaną.
Aš neturiu Ignui dovanos.
Kodėl tu neturi Ignai dovanos?
Aš pamiršau, ko jo gimtadienį. Mes inkilėlį jam darom. Nu, davai.
Gerai.
Nu, myliote. O, Papa!
How we can paint.
We can paint when we're gonna finish putting together. Hey, wait, hey. No, come on, you suck. Suck. Up. The front. Imagine like. Yeah. Yeah. Press it. Nice. The birdhouse. Birdhouse is done. I have brown, I have green, and I have glitter. Livy, I have glitter. We can actually put glitter on there. Livy, do you want to put glitter on the birdhouse? Yeah?
You're making me lose the
We can put glitter with Mod Podge. Shake. No, donkeys. You're polluting sound. Livy as well. Bad point for you.
Didn't make any noise.
Okay, I'm sorry. -1 for Livy. Let's minus Livy's one. Now. Okay. There's a paint for you. No. Rules and boundaries now. What are you painting?
roof.
Roof.
I want a bigger one now.
Don't waste all of it.
You're painting it very beautifully.
Green. Add brown. Where are we gonna put glitter?
Ah, glitter. Ui, stipras rankas. Pizdies, no. Yes, now I will tell you instructions how to do it. So, you take this brush, you put Mod Podge, where you want to put your glitter, okay? Then open the glitter bottle. Don't spread anywhere. Now, you take this brush.
Use this as a test.
Or maybe don't use a brush, use a cap. Open there and you sprinkle on the paint. Like this.
And then brush it off.
No, we leave it.
I'm gonna use my green one.
Yeah, you're putting it right. Yeah. Пиздец, I got it. Wait, no, look. People. And now look what mess you've made. You see?
Not too many
Where?
donkeys. There's a raw bar.
What?
Donkeys do on my white one.
Okay. Put Mod Podge. You put there. That's it. Job done. Job done.
But was it not done?
Well, it is done. Stop talking back. Started as a good project to learn how to use saw. And what you doing?
Donkeys use a lot.
That's it. Leave it now. It needs to dry.
What about 10?
No, that's it. That's for next day.
The next day.
That's for next day. I think we need to say now subscribe, like, and whatever. Thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching for our channels.
Did you get it? Thank you for watching our channels. That's what you said?
Videos.
Okay. Thank you, guys. See you till next time. Bye, guys. Bye.
Push it, limit, push it, limit, push it, limit, push it, limit.